wish Candy Market their 5-year journey, and I think that's a very, very good initiative on their part. Giving the small artisans or business people a platform to shine and thrive is a great achievement really on their part really. And I know they have it on the weekends at Shangri-La Mall, and I have been to one of them at the Port City about 6 months ago this was, and I thought that was really fabulous. That's the first time I went really. Very, very well done, and I saw products that I never seen before, and actually I even got some beauty products that I have continued getting from them, and they are excellent. You know, they are all naturally done. That's what everybody is looking for now, natural products, you know, without any synthetics or preservatives in it. So it's a very good opening, and sometimes we don't know what is available in Sri Lanka. You know, what people are, you know, sort of so entrepreneurship and the creativeness of them. They are really fantastic, and I think COVID brought this about the Candy Market. And with COVID, you know, so many have come out with so much of different ideas and creativeness, which I really admire. You know, I've been in the field now for 50 years. It's a long time, and I see a big change from COVID to now, you know, than before. So what I want to tell, you know, the young entrepreneurs is that you've got to keep, you know, trying hard, have a vision, and consistency, believing in yourself is really very important. And as I said earlier, young entrepreneurs are very, very good in what they are doing, you know. I really admire them, and I see it in my salons as well. You know, young talented people coming in, and they come from very, very small backgrounds, and they thrive. So you have to, you know, give them a hand to come up with that bit of advice and all that they show them, you know, show their capabilities. So that's really great. And what I always say is, you know, as an entrepreneur, the road is never straight. You've got many challenges, many risks that you take, but that's all part of business. So if you are sort of focused and believe in yourself and believe in your vision, you know, and going ahead, whatever setbacks you have, going ahead is what is very important. Don't give up. You know, things don't come to you easily. And always try to be with people who are uplifting you know, and positive kind of people. Try to move around with people like that. That is also very important. And I like to wish Candy Market all the success and many, many more years to come. And please, you know, do what you are doing, giving a hand to all the small businesses so that they could thrive and shine.